Fred Burrow, Swift Plumbers, leak detection service for address 22162. And what we're seeing there on that leak indicator, you see it's sitting still. It's not moving much. Now they do have a current leak in the hot water supply. Customer had multiple other plumbers out here to try to locate it, but we've got it located at this point. It's such a small leak. My equipment did pick it up, but the meter does not. Right there's our address. I'm going to go in here and show you where that leak is located. I went ahead and exposed where we need to do a repair from. Here's the hot water meter, and we've got that on right now. This is a hot water leak, and right here's our leak. We broke under the cabinet, as you can see there at 94 degrees. That's not showing up on the meter because that's just water just rolling off, but it was rolling and filling up underneath this cabinet. These pipes are going to bend down through this Armaflex and down through here. So we're going to have to use a demolition hammer, open this all up and redo the pipe work. Not the easiest repair in the world because you can see all the cement around the pipes and it's in pretty bad shape. Now, we've had two different plumbers come out here. What did you say? Who was the first?
I don't know.
Some plumbing company came out, and then Saturday. So, and then today we had a plumber out. For some reason, I'm just doing a video for the landlord up there so they could see what's going on. She probably knows who they were. I think one of them was McDonough out here, but they didn't have the leak detection equipment. And then somebody went outside here, and I'm going to show you where they put an X on the block wall. Sleuth, the customer told me they got a sheet in there from Sleuth. The one of them knuckleheads did that. I don't know why. The pipes are on the inside of the home, not on the outside of the home. So I don't know what they plan to do from there, except break through both sides of the block wall to get a pipe that's located on the inside of the home. Pretty silly. Don't really understand that, but I guess that's why these property management companies should call Swift first. Well, we'd already had this job completed, so I'm going to go right back down there and show you once again. That's our leak. It's pretty obvious. Quite a bit of water. See how wet the fingers are. Just rolling down from that pipe. Nothing coming up from through the slab, just dripping down. You can see that filled up all of this water all over the floor, coming out both sides of the cabinet. So we'll have to use a demo hammer, break that all apart, clean it up, put them 3-4 lines back together, including below the, probably going back through to below the slab. I also noticed down here and reaching under here, and we emptied this out, we got a plastic basket strainer, and if we move that, you can see that's cracked. Probably moving it along will make it leak some. So see right there, that should be replaced with a stainless steel unit, so we don't have that. There are better made basket strainers. Redo that. A little bit of pipe work there also for the landlord will need to be done in addition to this copper pipe repair. Like I said, the leak is exposed now. I also showed you over here at the water heater, when you're not using this to stop the leak, you're going to take this valve. When it's level with it, it's off. That's on. This is off.
Okay.
See? When you're straight line, in line with the pipe, that's on. This is off. That'll shut that hot water off for now. Okay? Also, I want you to be careful with that sink because that basket strainer also has a crack in it. You probably heard me just saying that up there. But right below here, this is just to this. See that plastic basket strainer right there? It's all beat up. We're going to need a new basket strainer put in right here. So every time you run that water, it's going to drip down here. You see? It's cracked up there, so I don't really want you using that. If not, I've got a 5-gallon bucket, but if you've got a small pail, we can put it. I've got 2 buckets. Yeah, we can put it underneath there. A smaller one, just watch that for me, okay? And then leave that water off when you're not using it. That way we limit the damage done here. We'll be back in the tomorrow to get this fixed for you. Okay?
Okay. Well, I won't have to use it tonight.
Okay, beautiful.
In the bath, we're good.
Fred Burrow, Swift Plumbers, Video 1 leak detection service for this customer.